How to use MeeedlyConnect. MeeedlyConnect is used to set up Meedly with external organizations or individuals that your team regularly coordinates meetings with. It enables seamless scheduling by establishing a secure connection between your organization and external participants. Once connected, your team can easily coordinate meetings without manual back and forth communication. To get started, simply enter the email addresses of the organizations or individuals you want to connect with. Meedly will automatically analyze the email domains and send the appropriate MeeedlyConnect invitations. Each recipient will receive a secure invitation email. Once they accept the invitation and complete the setup, the connection is established and ready for use. When sending a MeeedlyConnect invitation to a business or organization, it is recommended to send it directly to their IT department. This helps ensure a faster and smoother setup process across the organization. External organizations connected through MeeedlyConnect can also apply to their own privacy and security settings. This ensures that both parties maintain full control over how meetings are coordinated while still benefiting from streamlined scheduling. Once MeeedlyConnect is set up, your organization can coordinate meetings effortlessly across teams, companies, and time zones. Enjoy seamless meeting coordination with Meedly.